Bitcoin next chapter, the truth which going to shock you, my friend. Yes, my friend, there is something coming, is going to shock you, so get ready for it. As you see, guys, the daily candle here, it finished today. Bitcoin after the Fed rate pause, nothing happened. The only things which is happening after the Fed press conference, we saw a pump. The Bitcoin came back again to 104k. It touched it today. By the way, guys, before I continue, I want that video to reach to 300 likes, guys, and know you can do it. So please, my friend, if you haven't smashed the like button, go now and smash it and write with it a comment if it's possible. You done it? Thank you very much. And you, if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Or you can even join our VIP Discord where we give a long-term swing trading and day trading signals. Also today we haven't entered because as majority of the people there with me didn't know me the day of news we don't day trade because it's been a lot of volatility there. So also we're avoiding day trading in the day of news. So if you are interested to be with us, the link of our Patreon is down in the description of that video in the first comment. Go now, click at it, you're going to land here in Patreon, click at join, finish payment process. Inside Patreon there is a video going to show you all the steps till you're going to be in our VIP Discord. If you're facing any problem, you can text me either here in Patreon, in the free Discord, in the free Telegram. All the links are down in the description of that video. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see, today we got a green candle here. Now what's going to happen? Because you remember what me I told you about that red candle here. Let me zoom it a little bit. What me I told you here. We came to the tail of that candle here where I put that arrow and we put there a horizontal line like that, and the lower of the same candle where I put that arrow, we put there another horizontal line like that. Yes or no? And we told you if the Bitcoin breaking above here, we need to go more long. If the Bitcoin breaking down here, we need to go short. At this time, look at it, guys. The Bitcoin, it's staying here inside the range of that candle here. You see it or no? So what should we do? At this time here in the daily, there is nothing, guys. Also, we stay in here, sideways here in that level where we are. There is no clear direction here in the daily. We touch here that 108k. Look how many times. Let's see if the Bitcoin going to break it. That's going to be very good. If we couldn't break it and we touch it and we bounce down, even that one is very bad, guys, for crypto market. So I think I explained everything. I give you how to catch a long, how to catch a short. Me personally, if I'm going to enter now long, I'm going to enter with leverage and I'm going to use stop loss very tight here. And I explain why a lot of times here. I think I explained everything. Now we're going to see something else here in the daily. Let me show it to you. Is it that one here, guys? We fall down. We couldn't break that 20 moving average. As you see it, we touched it the first time, second time, and today we touched it the third time. Now that candle which is going now, let's see, because if you remember what I told you it might going to give you like that another high. So if it give us another high, we're going to catch another long from here. We're using stop loss here. All those things, it's possible, guys, because that market is too hard to predict it where it's going. Yes, also we're doing our possible, but everything can happen, guys. So also we still going with it. Also we tell it to you when we're breaking here, we came back again to a bull market. But let's wait and see, because that zone here, there is a lot of shorts here, but everything is possible. So I think I explained everything to you guys. Now it's going to see Bitcoin ETF liquidity heat map and the coming news. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, in the Bitcoin ETF. Look at it, that yesterday, look what happened yesterday here. Yesterday, the only one we buy is BlackRock. But guys, as me I tell it to the people they follow me, BlackRock, they slow in the buying of them. They bought only 295, and the rest, no one of them sell, no one of them buy. Only things inflow yesterday, 1.80k Bitcoin. Today, what happened? Grayscale Mini, today they bought 1.05k Bitcoin. So that the only one. BITB, they sold today 39 Bitcoin. The rest, BlackRock and Fidelity, we don't got the data of them, so we need to wait them to see what they do. So I think I explained everything. Now let's go into see liquidity heat map. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, in the liquidity heat map. Bitcoin go above and hitting all those stops. They used to be above here. We showed it to you in yesterday video. We told it's going to hit them. Now, if you're looking with me now at that time when also we're recording that video, we still have some stops here above as you see it, but where is a lot of stops? Down here. So I will not be surprised, guys, if I see the Bitcoin dumping again. That possible, or maybe it's going to continue upwards to liquidate those ones. Even that one, it's possible, guys. If we go in from 24 hours to weekly, let me show you. Here in the weekly, guys, we got a different picture. If you remember in yesterday, we used to be here, and I told you we don't got a lot of stops here. The place where we got a lot of stops, is it above here? Now, what shall we do? We need to see if the Bitcoin going to go to liquidate all those stops they are above here. And me, that's what me are thinking. I think it's going to liquidate them, guys. That's my view personally. I think the Bitcoin is going to liquidate those stops we got here, exactly here at 107k. We got a huge number, $103 million, and from there we're going to see what's going to happen in the coming hours. So I think I explained everything to you guys. I was going to see it coming news, because even today we got very important news. So let's go in there to see it. Coming news of today, guys, that the news we got today, as you see it, even today is a very important day. We got the GDP of Germany, interest rate decision for the Eurozone is going to come at 1:30. Plus we got ECB press conference, Christine Lagarde is going to come to tell us what's happening in the market or blah 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 of them. So as you see, it's going to come at 1:45 GMT time, so you need to be careful at that time, my friend. Well, that with me also, we don't day trade at that time. Over here is our friend, the table of odds. We're looking at it every day here in that channel. Look at it with Ethereum odds. All US stocks today or US indices today, the bleeding, guys. Nasdaq, SP 500, Dow Jones, because what Jerome Powell say, it's bearish, not bullish, because he said maybe they are not going to cut interest rate till they saw the inflation data started slowing. That's why we saw the stock market it falling down. Down here is our friend, the VIX. As you see it, scarcity and fair, it's still in its place. There is nothing changed, guys. 16.56, so there is nothing to be worried about. Just hold your crypto or your stocks. It's still very early. Also, we are not in high fear and we are not in too much greed. There is nothing to be worried about. So I think I explained everything to you guys. Now let's go in to see the Bitcoin we're doing today in 12 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 12 hours, guys. Here Bitcoin today is breaking for us the 20 moving average here in 12 hours. So for us to know the market is came back positive, guys. It's me, I just said to the people they follow me, I told them they need the Bitcoin to come back to break above that 105k for us to know the positive it came back again. That's me, I'm looking at that one here, that flag I showed it to you in yesterday, before yesterday. It need to be broke for us to know the bulls they came back. That's my view personally based on the heat map I just showed you. Ethereum also, we still have a lot of stops here. Let's wait and see if they are going to be liquidated or not. Levels, you need to look close at them. Let me show it to you. That level here, 102, 603. That one here, 108, 570. We got that 98k plus 95, 486. So those was the levels. We need to look close at them. Now let's see if the Bitcoin going to break here. That's going to be very good for market, guys. So I think I explained everything. Now let's go in to see the Ethereum we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Ethereum, guys. Ethereum, he couldn't reversing from here. We still have here the downtrend here. The one as we show it to you, it's need to be broke. That one here for us to thinking of the market is going to reverse upward. If that doesn't happen, there is no entry long. As we show you that a lot here in that channel. Plus another very important thing here in the Ethereum, guys. Is it that one here? Let's see if it's going to give us here a double bottom and to come to break for us the neckline. We can catch another entry long, but me personally, personally, I'm still waiting what's going to happen here. If the market going to dump more to give me a entry or no. That's what me, I'm waiting. People that are with me also, we sell what it equal our investment in that peak here. Same like those ones, they follow me in the Bitcoin. I told them to sell what it equal the investment of them in Sunday. We keep on the profit. If it's going to go more higher, fair enough. If it dump, fair enough. Now here in the Ethereum, we got another thing here in the Ethereum, which we show it to you. Is it that one here? Also, we still below all those moving averages. Ethereum, I don't know what happened to it. Investors, they are not interested about it. I don't know what happened to it. That's something very bad for Ethereum. But let's see what's going to happen in the coming days, because we don't know what's going to happen. I think I explained everything to you guys. Now let's going to see our indicator what it's saying today here in the Ethereum. Our indicator in the Ethereum, we're still in a bear market. There is nothing changed, so we need to wait till the right time, guys. But the only things I can say now, let's going to see the Bitcoin is doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Bitcoin in the 4 hours, guys. Here in the Bitcoin, you remember what me I show you here. I told you guys we got something like that, and we got it like that. Actually, it was in yesterday thumbnail of the video. Now also we are breaking here, as you see it, guys, and that's very good if we close it like that, because now also we are registering it, showing to us it's going to break. We still have here that flag. If you're missing that one, that the flag also we show you before, even that one we show it to you before. We told you we got here a bullish flag here in the 4 hours. If it's getting broke here, it's mean more going above. If you want exactly when is it breaking and when is it the right time to go more long, I told you what to do to join our VIP Discord. Another thing I showed it to you in yesterday video here. What is it? I told you about the double bottom here. Actually, it was in the thumbnail of the video, that one here. At this time when also we're recording, it's showing as if it's going to break it. Let's see if it's going to be broke. We're going to see the Bitcoin going more higher. That number one scenario. Second scenario, guys, we got here in that place, as you see it here, where me I draw it from that one here. We got a very stronger order block, guys. Maybe the Bitcoin is going to touch it again, then after that to give us a new low. Even that one, it's possible. How you going to catch it? You came to those ones like that. You see how I draw it from the tail of that candle, and that one here and that one here, and you're waiting if the Bitcoin going to break it here. You can catch another short, guys. As me I show you in yesterday video, what me I told you, low, high, another low, another high. Maybe it's going to give you another low here. Even that one, it's possible, guys. Till now as we still waiting. As me I told you, it need to come to break that one here. That one here, you see it how I draw it. It need to be broke, guys, for you to catch along. But everything it's look positive here in 4 hours. Another very important thing here in Bitcoin in 4 hours, let me show it to you. Is it that one here? We break in the 50 moving average here, but that candle is still going, guys. But it happens something very important here. The 20 moving average, he crossed below then the 100. Now let's see what's going to happen, because at this time, based on moving averages, also we are not in a clear direction, guys. Let's see if the Bitcoin from here going to reverse again, or from here going to go more higher. Even that one, it's possible, guys. So that's why also we're telling you those days is very hard to day trade, and that way also we're telling you if you want to day trade with professional people, that the job of them, you can join our VIP Discord, where we're giving highly accurate signals there. And believe me, my friend, within one signal you're going to back your money, but it's up to you. I think I explained everything. Now we're going to see our indicator what it's saying today here in Bitcoin, guys. Our indicator, guys, based on our indicator, we enter to a place where is the bulls they're controlling here. A very good sign here, but we need to focus about that one, guys. You remember that divergence downtrend here, that one also used to talk about it, is getting broke here in our indicator, but here in the chart, guys, let me show you now. We are in the border of it. If it's getting broke here, you need to go more long, guys. If it doesn't get broken, give us here a price action in smaller time frames. Also, we are going there in 30 minutes. If it give us here a price action, we're going to catch a short. And that's what also we're doing, guys. But the good news here in 4 hours, also we enter to a bull market, guys. So I think I explained everything. Now let's going to see it. Bitcoin we're doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. Here in yesterday we show you we got here a big double bottom here. Actually it was in the top line of the video, that one here, that big double bottom is getting broke here as you see it. Look at it here. It's getting broke here. What that indicating? It's indicating the Bitcoin is going to go more higher. The only thing I told you need to focus about that order block here, that one here, where me I put that green candle there. So you need to be careful about it. For short, if the market give you here a price action, you can catch a short. We still have here that one here is a bearish flag, or you can treat it like a up channel, because as you see it, guys, we touch the lower of it. We touch the lower of it here. Let's see if it's going to go to touch the top of it at 106k. If that happens, it's going to be very, very good for Bitcoin, and that will also be telling you a lot here in that channel. Now, what shall you do? If you missing the entry, you can come to the one here with the tail of the one here, and you connecting them together like that, and you see what's going to happen there. But at this time, it's too dangerous to enter along because you are in the top of that cycle. You need to wait in another correction for you to enter again, and that will also be saying a lot here. If we're looking at our indicators, what they're saying here in 30 minutes. Our indicators, guys, that one is enter to extreme overbought area level. Also, we are in a very, very stronger level. I just show it to you. Even that one is touch extreme overbought area. What shall we do? Because if we're looking at the down indicator, what it's telling us? It's telling us we are in a bull market, guys. It's only bulls who controlling now. So for us to catch a short, I just show you that one here. You wait it to be broke for you to catch a short. If it doesn't, there is no entry short. Yes, you can catch a smaller short from here till the lower of that uptrend. But what can we say? You need to be careful. That's the only things I can tell you. So I think I explained everything to you guys. So that's it for that video. And please, guys, if you like our content, because those days I saw you don't support us. So please, my friend, if you like our content, smash that like button and write with it a comment if it's possible. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.